This is a day in the life of ribosomes. Ribosomes are the sites in a cell in which protein synthesis takes place. Cells have many ribosomes, and the exact number depends on how active a particular cell is in synthesizing proteins. For example, rapidly growing cells usually have a large number of ribosomes. Ribosomes are complexes of rRNA, molecules, and proteins, and they can be observed in electron micrographs of cells. And I'll be showing you a micrograph coming up soon. Sometimes ribosomes are visible as clusters called polyribosomes. In eukaryotes, but not in prokaryotes, some of the ribosomes are attached to internal membranes where they synthesize the proteins that will later reside in those membranes or are destined for secretion. Although only a few rRNA molecules are present in each ribosome, these molecules make up about half of the ribosomal mass. The remaining mass consists of a number of proteins, nearly 60 in prokaryotic cells and over 80 in eukaryotic cells. Within the ribosome, the rRNA molecules direct the catalytic steps of protein synthesis, the stitching together of amino acids to make a protein molecule. In fact, rRNA is sometimes called a ribozyme or catalytic RNA to reflect this function. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic ribosomes are different from each other as a result of divergent evolution. These differences are exploited by antibiotics, which are designed to inhibit the prokaryotic ribosomes of infectious bacteria without affecting eukaryotic ribosomes, thereby not interfering with the cells of the sick host. And now I'm going to be showing you a picture. So in this picture, this is an electron micrograph of a prokaryote, and this is Escherichia coli. I may have pronounced that wrong. I am sorry if I did. And this is showing DNA in ribosomes, and basically, it has been treated with chemicals and sectioned, so its DNA and ribosomes are clearly visible. The DNA appears as swirls in the center of the cell, as the ribosomes appear as dark particles at the cell periphery. Okay, that was a day in the life of ribosomes. We will be moving on now to Ethan Adam.
The nucleus is an organelle found in animal cells. Inside its fully enclosed nuclear membrane, it contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. This material is organized as DNA molecules, along with a variety of proteins to form chromosomes. The nucleus is the biggest organelle in the animal cell. There is also a nucleus in the plant cell, however, it is less significant than the animal cell's nucleus. The biggest part of the nucleus, the nucleolus, is responsible for making ribosomes. The nucleus is a sphere-shaped organelle that has a ball in the center. Obviously, that ball in the middle is the nucleolus.